Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our maths class. Here I am Sajni John, your maths teacher. In the previous class, we have learned the formula for solving a quadratic equation. That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is the quadratic equation. And the solution is x is equal to, do you remember that? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Okay. Now we are going to solve some more questions. In quadratic equation using this formula. We can see one question. 1 by 15 x square plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 x. It is a quadratic equation, but here a is a fraction. Okay, we can simplify this. You can simplify left side itself and then cross multiply, and you can form a quadratic equation in the original form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, we can do that. Look, take LCM of the left side. It is 15. 15 and 3, LCM is 15. So you will get, when you simplify, the numerator becomes x square plus 25. Multiply second term, numerator and denominator, by 5. You will get 25 by 15. Now right side remains same, 2 by 3x itself. Cross multiply. Or here transpose 15 to the other side. Then it becomes x square minus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. Now we can substitute the values of a, b and c in the formula. First we can write the formula. For all questions you have to write the formula. X is equal to minus b. Before that we can write what is a, b and c. Here a is 1. It is very clear. A is 1 because 1x square. 1x square. B is minus 10 and c is 25. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now substitute values. When you are doing this, should take more care. That is minus of minus 10 plus or minus root of minus 10 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 25. Substitute and simplify this. You will get minus of minus 10 is 10 plus or minus root of minus 10 the whole square is 100 minus 4 into 25, 100. So in this question we can see the discriminant is 0. Okay. When discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac equal to 0, what is the nature of roots? Nature of roots, the roots are real and equal, because 10 plus or minus 10 by 2. 10 plus 0 by 2, answer is 5. 10 minus 0 by 2, answer is again 5. So, the solution is 5. Clear? Okay. Now next question. Question number 9. X square minus 6 is equal to 2 root 2x. First you have to arrange it in proper form. That is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In that form, you have to arrange it properly. That is x square minus 2 root 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Here, first you can write what is a, b and c. A is 1, b is minus 2 root 2. Here b is minus 2 root 2 and c is minus 6. You can write that. Then write the formula as usual. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now substitute values. Just to substitute. Here minus of minus b, minus of minus 2 root 2 plus or minus root of b square. B square is minus 2 root 2 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 6 divided by 2 into 1, that is 2a. When you simplify, if your substitution is correct, in this step you will get 1 mark. Correct substitution in correct formula. Okay. Now next simplification. 2 root 2 plus or minus. Minus 2 root 2 the whole square is 8. Then minus of minus plus. Here plus 24 divided by 2. 8 plus 24 is 32. So, you can write 2 root 2 plus or minus root 32 by 2. And root 32 can be written as 4 root 2. Here you can see the steps. I think here 32 can be written as root of 16 into 2. That is root of 16 is 4. You can take outside 4 root 2. Root 32 is 4 root 2. Therefore, instead of root 32, we can substitute 4 root 2. Now, you can take 2 outside. 2 is common factor here. 2 here, from here also you can take 2 outside. Then you will get 2 into root 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2. And 2 and 2 cancelled. Then the result is root 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. So, we will get two values for x, that is root 2 plus 2 root 2 and root 2 minus 2 root 2. Okay. Now, what is root 2 plus 2 root 2? That is obviously 3 root 2. And root 2 minus 2 root 2 is minus root 2. Now we can substitute the value of root 2. What is the value of root 2? Do you remember? That is 1.414. You will get that one. If you forget it, you will get the value from your Clark's table. 3 into 1.414 and minus 1.414. Therefore, answer is, when you are multiplying this, you will get answer 4.242 and minus 1.414. Next one, question number 12. Question is root 6x square minus 4x minus 2 root 6 equal to 0. The question itself is in standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 in that form. So you can write what is a, b and c. A, b and c. Then write the formula. You have to write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And substitute correct values in correct formula. You will get this step. Now just to simplify this. Look here. Minus of minus 4, that is 4, plus or minus 4 the whole square, that is 16. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16. Then here 4 into root 6 into minus 2 root 6. Minus and minus becomes plus. 4 into 2, 8. Root 6 into root 6, 6. 4 into 8 into 6, 48. Therefore, the result is 4 plus or minus root 64 divided by 2 root 6. Root 64 is 8, that we know. 4 plus or minus 8 by 2 root 6. That is, when you are simplifying, you can take 2 outside, then you will get this step. 2 into 2 plus or minus 4 by 2 root 6. You can cancel 2 and 2. The numerator becomes 2 plus 4 by root 6 and 2 minus 4 by root 6. That is 6 by root 6. What is 6 by root 6? 6 can be written as root 6 into root 6. Therefore, 1 root 6 cancelled. And this one, minus 2 by root 6. You can rationalize the denominator. In standard 9, we have learned that. So, multiply numerator and denominator by root 6. You can see the step here. Then, the answer is minus 2 root 6 divided by root 6 into root 6, 6. Cancel this 2. Minus 2 and 6. You will get minus root 6 by 3. Okay. Here one value is root 6 and the other value is minus root 6 by 3. You can find the value of root 6 from your class table. In your text, backside of your text, you can see that class table and get the value of root 6 and substitute. That is 2.449. Root 6 is 2.449. And here minus root 6 by 3. That is minus 2.449 divided by 3. That value is minus of 0.8163. Okay. Next is question number 3. Question number 3 from exercise 5C. First one, first subdivision. The question is, solve each of the following equations for x and give in each case your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay. So, first we can solve this quadratic equation as usual. Here, write what is A, B and C. This is in the form of the standard form of the quadratic equations. Therefore, we can directly write A, B and C. A is 2, B is minus 10 and C is 5. and write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And substitute the values correctly like this. And simplify this. When you simplify, you will get 10 plus or minus root 60 divided by 4. Find what is root 60. You will get root 60 is less than 8. No? Because root 64 is 8. Therefore, root 60 is less than 8. Okay? So, you should get an idea. Okay? That is 10 plus or minus 7.746 divided by 4. Therefore, the values are 10 plus 7.746 by 4 and 10 minus 7.746 by 4. Okay? Just start these two and divide it by 4 and subtract this from 10 and divide that value by 4. Then you will get this result. Then next is 4.436 and 0.5635 and correct to 2 decimal places. Here we can see 3 decimal places are there and the third place is greater than 5. Therefore, we want to add 1 to this number 3. So the answer is 4.44. Right? And here, what is the answer? 0.2 decimal. Correct to 2 decimal places. Here the third place is less than 5. Therefore, no need of adding 1 to the previous one. Previous digit. Therefore, answer is 0.56. Okay. So, in this way, we can correct it to 2 decimal places. Here, I will give the value points. Here, in this place, you will get 1 mark for this question. It's a sure question for board exam. Here, that means correct substitution in correct formula. Here, you will get 1 mark. And when you get square root of 60, if root 60 is correct, in this place also you will get 1 more mark. 3 mark question. And correct 2 decimal places. Therefore, both answers should be correct. That means 4.44 and 0.56. Both answers should be correct and you should have all these 4 values. Correct 2 decimal places. So, the previous step there should be 3 decimal places present there. Okay. If these 4 values present here, you will get the last mark. Okay. So, be careful when you are doing this type of questions. And in the next class, we can do more questions with the help of this formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Thank you.